super user-friendly, one-click and activated for iPhones. Good price and value. Would order again. Works flawlessly across countries, making international trips much easier. It was my first time using an eSIM, so I was a bit nervous, but it connected smoothly once I got there. It required some advance preparation, which was a bit complicated, but it was cheap and overall a good deal. You can use 1.5 GB per day for just 200 yen for 3 days. It and number 39, so cheap. I was able to connect without any problems. Since it reads QR codes, be careful not to have to bring your own device or have access to print. Buy before going, turn it on when you get there and have internet right away, feels like it saves a lot of time. One 1.53. 3 Google. 1.6. Easy to use and fast speed as well, great installation. QR Apple Watch. Really happy with this service. It saved me the trouble of buying a local SIM at the airport. Fast setup and reliable data everywhere I went. I was impressed with how this eSIM activated itself upon arrival. No hassle at all, super user-friendly. Wi-Fi Instagram X10.6G. I and number 39, they traveled to Taiwan several times and always used an eSIM. However, I had to register my real name in advance, which I found to be a bit of a hassle. This time, I chose this eSIM because it didn't and number 39, require real name registration and offered a plan with 1.5 GB of high-speed data per day. I installed it using the free Wi-Fi on the plane. The in-flight Wi-Fi was an N-39:T very fast, so it took a while, but once I arrived and turned off airplane mode, it connected and I and number 39, they've been able to use it comfortably ever since. eSIM. 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 Worked like a charm. I was online right after landing in Taiwan, and the data speed was fast enough to stream videos and make video calls.